So, hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janavi Jain and I'm here to make you all smile and entertain. So, today's video is all about me making mask at home, like face mask. Okay, so one thing, I know तुम्हारे मन में क्या चल रहा होगा कि मैं ऐसे क्यों हूँ, but I was like, I was just editing ये video, ठीक है? I was like, let's do an intro video like that only. Like, this is how I look when I edit my picture. Oh, sorry, a video. So, yeah, that's it. So, I thought, like, just make this intro video very raw. Okay, so getting further into the video, one is with sewing machine and one is without sewing machine. Sorry, जिसके लिए मैंने sewing machine यूज़ किया है वो मैंने मास्क मेरे भाई के लिए बनाया है. And without sewing machine is for babies. I had no babies at home, so I made the mask for a neighbor. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so these are the things which I'll need for the mask. Okay, first thing, you have to measure the face of the person you're making the mask for. Like, I'm making my mask for brother, so that's how the measurement goes, horizontally and vertically, 50 and 28. Okay, so do as what I'm doing. So now I'm folding this because I need that texture, and then I just pinned it. Okay, so this one is with sewing machine, so then I'll stick around and stitch the place and just pin it. Oh, ouch, I got hurt, sorry. Okay, so take care, okay guys. Now then I just have to pin the pleats, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, then you have to stitch them. Like this is how it looks in the end. So you have to stitch the pleats like I am doing, okay? So you have to fold like I am folding because you don't want the loose threads like coming out. Okay, so the mask is ready, but for the elastic part I have used a fabric only because the shops were closed, so that's it, I used the fabric. So the mask is ready now and that's how it looks. Okay, so the second one now. You're also same technique, you have to measure the face. Okay, so use a rounder guys. I am a bad person, I'm just drawing like that. Use a rounder for the betterment than like I did. Will you shut up, Crow? I'm sorry guys. So you have to stitch the semicircular side like I am doing. Okay, so from the corner take 3 centimeters and mark the point. Like all the 4 sides you have to do the same, like I am doing. Okay, so after that from the 3 centimeter like you took, from there you have to stitch throughout. You can do twice the running stitch or you can do a back stitch. So like before I had no elastic, so I'm using the leftover fabric. Do the same for the second one. And now mask is ready. So this is how it looks. Okay. Hope you guys like the video, and I hope you make for you and yourself or your family members a mask and help each other. And if you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video update. I'm sure that you might know कि intro video and इस video में 2 second का भी फर्क नहीं था, but whatever. So good night you guys, or maybe good morning, or whatever you are, like wherever, whenever you are watching this video. Good night, good morning, good evening. Okay, so ta-da!